Um, you have chicken nugget?
Dom gen, bon lanket ki pa jom geni men.
Besoin 5 piece chicken nugget. You have
Ki sos ou vle sou de men? Sos, nou gen to a kalite sos ya men.
no, no, I need the barbecue sauce. The,
Barbecue.
the barbecue sauce.
What the fuck, niggas?
So
Tell them you need the black people sauce.
the barbecue sauce, the black people sauce. The sauce black people like
Yeah,
barbecue sauce.
alright.
Okay. Do you have rice and beans? Rice and
Yeah.
beans.
Miss D got some rice, but I don't know. Yeah, yeah, Miss D got some rice and beans, man.
Okay. Do you want anything, guys?
One more large fry.
I need the
Mano ti ou li pou al dom se la ou vin bay blagu.
I need a large fun fry. A large fun fry.
Ok.
Large fun fry. I need the Twix, the Twix crunch, the Twix crunch. How they call it?
Ok.
The Twix crunch. Caramel. The Twix crunch caramel.
I want an
What's
all,
that?
I want an all-American
120, you want
cheeseburger.
no timer, come on, man.
I want an all-American cheeseburger.
I need the
Bacon all-American.
Okay, I see a all American cheeseburger. There's no Asian cheeseburger.
I need a bacon all-American cheeseburger.
That was funny.
No, there's no Asian cheeseburger.
I
Okay.
can make it.
Anything else?
Bacon all-American cheeseburger.
Okay. One bacon all American cheeseburger and what drink?
One more.
Alright.
One more.
Okay.
Fanta. One more
Okay.
Fanta.
One spirit drunk. On drunk on spirit.
You said what, sir?
One drunk a spirit.
Say spirit. Holy Spirit?
Sprite.
A spirit. SP
Right.
Oh, Sprite. Okay, a Sprite. But he said the spirit.
One more Fanta. One more Fanta.
Eternal, sir?
Oh, I think that's all. What is my total?
You know when you drop your butt up, please.
I think you guys so stupid, right? I'm coming.